Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep or travel? Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that your bank balance has grown overnight, all while you were resting or enjoying life. This kind of freedom isn't reserved for the super rich or tech geniuses anymore. Today, people from all walks of life are tapping into new ways to earn, no matter their background or experience. The secret lies in building smart systems that work for you, even when you're offline. These systems can run in the background, generating income while you focus on what matters most to you. This isn't about chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, it's about working smarter, not harder, leveraging technology and your unique skills to create lasting value. Thanks to the digital world, passive income is more accessible than ever before. You don't need a huge investment or a team of experts to get started. Picture this. You wake up, stretch, and see that you've earned money overnight, not by trading your precious hours for dollars, but by setting up systems that create value around the clock, even while you sleep. One of the simplest and most popular ways to start building this kind of income is through affiliate marketing. Here, you partner with brands, share products or services you genuinely love, and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link. It's a win-win for you and the brands you support. There's no need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service headaches. All you have to do is share honest recommendations about things you already use and trust. If you can post a link on social media, write a blog, or even just talk about your favorite products, you already have the basic skills to get started with affiliate marketing and begin building your own 24/7 income stream. Affiliate marketing transforms your everyday recommendations into real, ongoing income, giving you more freedom, flexibility, and the chance to live life on your own terms. Let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based model that's become one of the most popular ways to earn money online, especially for creators, bloggers, and anyone looking to build an income stream from home. In this model, you earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or service rather than selling your own. Here's how it works. You get a unique tracking link from a company, share it with your audience, maybe on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and if someone makes a purchase through your link, you get paid a percentage of that sale. Think of yourself as a digital matchmaker, connecting great products or services with people who are searching for them and helping both sides win. The best part? You don't have to create, store, ship, or support the product. Your main job is to recommend things you genuinely like or believe in. The real magic happens when your audience trusts your honest recommendations. That trust is what turns your content into a powerful sales tool. For example, if you love a particular yoga mat, you can join the brand's affiliate program, share your unique link in a blog post or video review, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that your content works for you around the clock. People can discover your recommendations and make purchases days, weeks, or even months after you post. This is how you can literally start earning money while you sleep, as your links keep generating sales even when you're offline. Do the work once, create helpful content, share your links, and you can get paid over and over again as long as people keep finding and trusting your recommendations. That's the true power of passive income through affiliate marketing: freedom, flexibility, and the ability to earn on your own terms. Ready to start? Here's your 4-step blueprint. First, pick your niche, something you're passionate about and know well. Next, find affiliate programs that fit your niche. Many brands and networks like Amazon Associates make it easy. Then create valuable content, blogs, videos, or social posts that naturally include your affiliate links. Focus on helping, not just selling. Finally, promote your content and grow your audience. Use SEO, email lists, and social media to get your content seen. Consistency is key. Keep showing up and sharing. The more value you provide, the more your audience will trust your recommendations. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your income grow. That's how you build a sustainable affiliate business. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Look for the sweet spot between your passion, expertise, and profitability. This intersection is where your business can truly thrive, allowing you to enjoy what you do while also making a sustainable income. Make sure there are products to promote and people willing to buy. Research the market demand and ensure there's a viable audience ready to engage with your offerings. Only recommend products you trust and believe in. Your reputation is everything. Building trust with your audience is key, as it leads to long-term relationships and repeat business. Focus on quality and integrity. Your authenticity is your superpower. By maintaining high standards, you differentiate yourself in a crowded market. Build your own platform, like a blog or YouTube channel, so you control your content. This autonomy allows you to shape your brand's narrative and engage directly with your audience. Use social media to drive traffic, but don't rely on it alone. Diversify your strategies to ensure a steady flow of visitors to your platform. An email list is gold. It's your direct line to your audience. Cultivate this list by providing valuable content and exclusive offers. Offer a freebie to encourage signups and build loyalty. This gesture not only attracts new subscribers but also fosters a sense of community and appreciation. For example, if you love gardening, share tips, review your favorite tools, and link to them. This approach not only showcases your expertise, but also provides value to your audience. People find your advice, trust you, and you earn commissions. This cycle of trust and reward is the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing strategy. It really can be that straightforward. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Now you know the basics of affiliate marketing and how to get started. This isn't a pipe dream. It's a real way to build income and freedom around your passion. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just be yourself and share what you love. There's an audience out there waiting for your unique perspective. The only thing left is to take action. If you want more guidance, I'm hosting a free workshop, Affiliate Marketing Kickstart. Click the link below to save your spot and get the support you need. Your future is waiting. Are you ready to build it?